Hello friends, welcome to Trading Income, and in this video we'll see the best stocks for the next week. Along with that, we'll see sector analysis and stock analysis for the next week. So before that, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing it because almost daily we do this type of analysis. So let's begin the video, and this is the Nifty daily chart. As we can see here, around 17,000, it is playing like, although the trend from the past 10 days, 2 weeks is bearish, but on Friday, it was a big bullish move on the upside. So it is playing around 17,000 levels. So we cannot say that the market is now bullish. It is still bearish, but Friday was against the trend. So we have to be careful. Trend is still bearish. So we can look for the sell on rise opportunities. So looking for the resistance, we can see here 17,400 is a strong resistance now. Before that, 17,200 level is a big resistance level. So trend is still bearish. We can look for sell and rise opportunities. And if we see the Banknifty chart, daily chart, almost similar type of price action is visible. Trend is bearish for the past 2 weeks, but the Friday candle was a big bullish candle. Volumes are also good. So can we expect a bullish move from here? Nothing can be said. But if we go with the trend is still bearish, we can look for sell and rise opportunities. So now if we see the sector analysis, we will start with auto sector. We'll go on alphabetical order. First is auto sector. We'll see a few of the stocks, before that we can do sector analysis. So indices. Okay, here. So if I arrange this in some order, Banknifty was the biggest gainer. This is the Banknifty chart. We have seen this. Finance sector, again, almost similar chart, banks and finance. So as you can see here, it has took support at this level, finance sector, and now it is trying to move up. So looks like it is taking a support here, and we can see a further up move from here. We'll see the sectors also, stocks also of the sector. Metal sector, again, almost similar, taking support and trying to move up. Commodity sector, well, it's almost similar charts we can see of every sector. Energy sector, almost similar. Auto has not fallen much, so it looks like a bullish sector to me, means not so bearish. And if we see pharma is bullish. Market has been falling for the past 2 weeks, but pharma sector is bullish. So if you want to go on the buy side, pharma is the sector to go. We'll see the few stocks which are bullish in pharma. IT sector is taking support. It has been falling from the past. It has been falling from January this year. It has seen quite a bit of correction, IT sector, and now it is consolidating. It has formed a double bottom here, and now it is taking support around this level, but we have to get confirmation to go on the buy side. So right now I will not recommend to go for the buy side in IT sector, but we have to wait for the confirmation. FMCG sector is again like pharma sector. It is on the bullish side. It has not been affected by the bearish market. So overall view is pharma and FMCG, they are not affected by the fall in the market. And auto sector is the third one, which is on the which has not fallen much, and other sectors they have gone with the Nifty fall. So what we'll do is we will see the stocks of each sector, few stocks of each sector to get an idea what is happening here. So auto sector, Apollo Tyre was the biggest gainer here. As you can see here, a good base formation here around 267 levels, and it is a good big green candle. So it looks like it can move towards this high, which is 300 levels. So this can be on the watch list for the buy side. Apollo Tires, Maruti has also not fallen much. It is taking C here. It has taken support at this level many times, 8600 levels. Here also, here it has taken support. Here also it has taken support and it is bouncing back. So if we go on the buy side, 8600 level can be our stop loss, and we can go to the buy side, and our target can be around 9400 levels. So Maruti is looking strong. If we see Ashok Leyland, almost similar pattern. And see here, the volume has increased above average volumes. Candle is a big, strong green candle on Friday. Looks like it can move further up. So go with a stop loss, proper stop loss. Balkrishna Industries, it has seen a steady fall, and this is not looking so much bullish. So trend is bearish below both the moving averages. So not for the buy side. One can go for the sell side if it breaks below this level, which is the low of Friday low, 1826 levels. So this is about it. And if we see Mahindra and Mahindra, it has not fallen much, so it is bullish. When the markets will bounce, these are the stocks which will move up first, Mahindra and Mahindra. And if we see Tata Motors, it has fallen along with the Nifty fall. So it is bearish. So bullish stocks are Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti, Apollo Tires. So these are the words on bullish side. If you see the cement sector, it has seen some bullishness. You will see a few stocks like JK Cement, a good base formation at this level, and it is bouncing up, increase in volume. So I'm bullish on cement sector for the next week. You can also have a look at the cement stocks. As you can see here, it can try for this levels. And if you go on the buy side, stop loss can be below 2500 levels. Ambuja Cement taking support at the moving average, 20 moving average, and trying to move up. So looking good for the bullish side. Ambuja Cement. ACC taking support at 2300 levels, and it is trying to move up. As you can see here, volumes are above average, looking good for the buy side. Once market starts consolidating, the cement sector can try to move up. So this is just my view. Ultratech Cement, again almost similar chart. Grasim, it has not fallen much, so it can try to move towards this high 1800 levels. So cement sector is looking bullish to me. Energy sector, if we see some stocks, as we can see here, IGL has fallen 5%. So around the high, it has fallen 5%. So nothing much to do here. MGL gas stocks has fallen on Friday. Nothing much can be done here from this chart analysis. Adani Enterprises, a big linear up move, and it's correcting a bit. Not much to worry for the bullish side. Looks like it can consolidate around this level. So if we see a few more stocks, Reliance has seen a good support. See here, it has fallen from August end, and now this candle with this big bullish candle increase in volume. So it looks like this level, the low of Friday, 2300 level, is a good support level, and it can make a up move from here. So looks good for the bullish side. Power Grid, making higher highs, increase in volumes. So looking good for the buy side. Tata Power has fallen much, taking support around this level. So don't go bullish right now. We need confirmation. We need few more bullish candles. So Indian Oil taking support at this level, but we cannot go for buy side right now because it is below the moving averages. So still bearish trend is there. So energy sector is not looking so bearish, bullish. It is still on the bearish mode. If you see the finance sector, we'll see few stocks. So LIC Housing Finance, it has big green candle with good volumes. So it looks like it has formed a base around this level, 390 levels, and it's trying to move up. Looks like it can touch this towards this high, 400 and above. So it looks good for the buy side. Manapuram also making higher highs. Base is formed around 92 levels, but still I will not go for bullish right now. Bajaj Finance, no, it has not fallen much, so it looks good for the buy side, taking support at 7,000 levels. HDFC, so taking a big green candle at this level, but still not, we cannot go for the buy side right now. Canfin Homes, looking for the sell side, still bearish only. So finance sector looks still on the sell side. If we see SR Transfin, looking for the sell side only. So finance sector still on the sell side. FMCG sector looks good for the buy side. If we see few stocks on the buy side, Jubilant Food looks good for the buy side, a big bullish candle. So it looks good for the long term. Long-term investors can have a look at the stock. Jubilant Food looking good for the buy side. Bata India taking support at this level, but still I will not recommend this for the buy side right now. It has to move around above this level to go on the buy side, 1920 levels. So if we see one more, Tata Consumer, it has taken support from this level, this pin bar, and then it is trying to move up. So it is looking good for the buy side, Tata Consumer. If you see Dabur also looking good for the buy side. Britannia around the high. So again for the buy side. So FMCG sector is looking good for the buy side. If you see IT sector, it's formed a double bottom on daily chart. If we see this Dixon, so it has not fallen much, and now it is making higher highs. So looking good for the buy side. Mindtree, it is trying to move up, but still we need to be careful. We need above this 3600 level. It is bullish. Infi has made a support at this level, 1360 levels. It's trying to move up higher highs, but still we need close above this levels, 1550 levels to go bullish. Right now we need confirmation. Don't go bullish right now on IT. Double bottom is formed here. HCL Tech, and it's making higher highs, closing about 20 moving average in IT sector. HCL Tech is looking right now as the best stock for going bullish among all the stocks. Wipro, lower lows, bearish. TCS, same case, bearish right now. We need confirmation. Coforge, again bearish. Naukri, again bearish. So HCL Tech is looking promising for the buy side. Others are still on the bearish mode. We need few more green candles to go bullish on IT sector. If we move on to the next one, next sector, so metal sector. Metal sector is very volatile sector. So if we see Hindalco chart, it is trying to make higher highs for the past 3 days. but still the trend is bearish. We cannot go against the trend. We will have to wait for confirmation to go to the buy side. If we see few red candles on daily chart, we can again go bearish on the metal sector. So this is my view for metal sector. Sell on rise. It is trying to move up, but we need to be careful to go on the buy side because trend is still bearish. Same case, Steel Authority, Tata Steel, almost similar chart. Jindal Steel making higher highs. JSW Steel trying to move up, but still the trend is bearish. Metal sector is still bearish mode. If we see pharma sector is there. This is the last one, I think. If we see Lupin, it is consolidating here. Looks like pharma sector is the can make a breakout on the upside. So it looks promising to go on the buy side for the next week. Lupin looking good with this volume, big green bar. It looks like it can break out from this level towards 720, 730 levels. Sun Pharma is a big, strong stock of pharma sector. It has broken from the previous high. It looks like it can break out at any time. So pharma sector is the most bullish one here. Glenmark consolidation for almost 2 months. See here, consolidating around this level. Looks like, see the volumes here. Looks like a good stock for 420 levels. So Glenmark is a buy. Davis Lab not so very bullish. Oro Pharma still bearish. So it's a weak stock right now. Oro Pharma. Cipla is bullish. See, making higher highs. Dr. Reddy looking bullish. So Glenmark and Sun Pharma looking bullish on pharma sector. If we see the miscellaneous sector, few stocks here. So Equitas Bharti Airtel made a big move on Friday. As we can see here, it made a breakout and close above the previous high. So it's a big bullish sign. So looks like it can move further up. So plan your trades accordingly. Titan bullish. This candle, bullish candle, above average volume, so looks bullish. Bhel making higher highs, bullish. UPL bearish. Concor looking bullish. Bharat Electronics, a good pullback, and here it can see a good candle for going long with a small stop loss. L&T taking support here. So this is all about today's analysis. This we have done the sector analysis and the stocks analysis for the next week, which are the best stocks. I hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, share it with your trader friends, and be connected for more such videos. We also have a Telegram channel where I keep on posting the charts and important data which I get. So you can join our Telegram channel. Link is in the description. See you in the next video. Till then, profitable trading.